Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, ensure USB debugging is already enabled, or have an OTG adapter and mouse to enable it on the phone. Install ADB and SCRCPY on your laptop. Those are the tools that let you mirror and control the phone. Plug the phone into the laptop with a good USB cable and accept any authorization prompt on the phone. If the screen is dead, use an OTG mouse to tap Accept. Once done, verify ADB sees the device with a DB devices. With ADB confirmed, run SCRCPY. That launches a live mirror and control window. If performance is poor, start SCRCPY with options like bitrate 2M or max size 1024 to reduce bandwidth and lag. Use your laptop mouse to operate the phone interface in the SCRCPY window, navigate settings, backup data, or enable features. If touch on the phone still works, you can interact directly. If not, the OTG mouse or keyboard connected will let you unlock and authorize accounts. Make sure file transfer is complete before disconnecting. Complete tasks by copying important files to the laptop using the SCRCPY interface, MTP File Explorer, or a DB pull for specific paths. Once backups are done, properly unmount storage and then disconnect. Disable USB debugging only if you need security. If SCRCPY won't start, install or update device drivers, enable USB mode to file transfer, use OTG mouse, or run a DB logcat to see errors. Troubleshooting tip: when connection fails, restart ADB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server, and reconnect the cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.